Check this one. Surprisingly, that's actually quite well. Let's do this one. And then, can we do this one again? Oh. So that's the difference between the 2 weeks and the 1 week. At the moment, 2 weeks you've got additional 7 days of activities. Yeah.
But the pain was like you can six out of 10, and it's really constant for whole day and night.
Can we turn the hip to this side? Ideal. Yeah, this one. And we're gonna tilt slightly. Just to feel. Okay, there's quite a few here. So I'm gonna turn the other way. Okay, looking down again. Yeah, there's definitely a very noticeable difference between the 2 and 1 week. This one here is tricky.
I don't know what happened on my this time. It is like even I can't touch it.
Can't touch it, yeah.
Yeah, and it comes into my arm as well. My whole arm is really sore. I can't move it.
The other side we can feel so much tension too. Okay, that's a bit more clear. Let's do this one too. We need to bring this arm further front. Oh, that's way better. You can take it?
Yeah, it's fine. Like I'm just telling you, it's painful.
This one, it's okay to push through, huh? But too much, you tell me. I still feel more. Let me turn this side again. Oh, yeah, that's good. And then turn the other way. Yes. Okay, now I can see it's more this side. One. Looking down again. Do this one first. Can we take a deep breath in? Yep. And breath out.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, this one. Like everything is extra stiff
Is it
today.
like on the same position now? Like I came to the first day?
No, it's different. It's different. Yeah, it's different. Can we do one more here? Breathe in again and out. Okay, this one relax the shoulders slightly.
Oh!
We turn the hip to this side. Relax the head slightly more. And it down. Can we look down again? I'm gonna check it a little. Relax the shoulders.
Oh!
4, 3. One is smaller, so let's use that better. I'm gonna check one more thing here. Let's go up and out. This one may be not so good. No, that's good too. I'm going to do the muscles first. You okay?
Yeah.
This one is more sore, right?
Yeah, that one is as well.
Yeah. That's good. That's really better. Keep releasing the muscles first. Let's see if we need that one. Few more. Hang in there. Good. Relax the shoulder. Good. More.
Sorry. Oh! Sorry.
Do a big turn to the left. Let's feel this one. Let's get then turn to the other side. I can feel quite a lot. Interesting. All the way on top. Yeah. Focus on this first. Release the muscles first. Efficient. I'm trying to soften up, relax a bit. Really well. This knee is quite. This one's quite stiff today, so. Under here? Or under here?
Upside as well. Here is always
yeah.
like really when I do some stretching, it's always very painful. But now it started like underneath on top.
Under the kneecap, huh?
Yes.
This one is coming from here.
Do you think the swelling is increasing or it's just my?
Doesn't feel like it. Yeah, it doesn't feel like
Yes.
it. This has stiffened up more though than the last session.
Okay.
You rest on me. Okay, if I do like a light one, you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do slightly bigger ones, but also still quite gentle. Give it a bit more time. I might do more, just depending on how it goes. But let me check everything else first. Oh, that's really better. That's good. That's good. Relax.
It's just because of the.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. Go down. Yeah, there's still a lot of work to do to get you to the stage where you're functioning normally. But that's okay. You're on the right track. you're quite consistent with your adjustments as well. Is the most important thing. Go up this guy, straighter. Down. Just want to check the squeezing again. I'm going to focus on this one. Can we release this one first? Few more. Okay. Let's squeeze again. Relax, and then squeeze one more from there. That's better. Look at this one first. Relax the shoulder. I think last time we looked on this one, right? If I'm not mistaken. This was this side elbow. So that one's better. And